Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, let me show you how to join the pikalabs server in Discord. Now don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're updated whenever we upload a new video. Stick until the very end so you don't miss a single detail. Now the first thing that we will need to do is let's just go ahead and go to our browser right here, and then let's go ahead and search for pikalabs Discord invite. And then you should be able to get some form of output like this, where you can go ahead and see the first link, which is basically an invite to be able to join the Pika server. So just go ahead and click on this, and then if you have your Discord app connected, then this will beam the info into the Discord app. If you don't have the Discord app, then just go right on ahead and continue to log in. Now I'm just going to be transferring over to the Discord app, and you should be able to see something like this where you've been invited to join Pika with your current account. So just go ahead and click on join Pika right here. Now once that you have joined Pika, then you should be able to see the server right here, and then just go ahead and go through some of the questions, or if you want to go ahead and skip, you can just go ahead and skip. And then let's click on finish. Now what we will do is we will go ahead and use Pika to generate a video using an image. So let's just go ahead and click on getting started right here, and then within the member list, make sure that this is toggled on so we're able to go ahead and see the Pika bot itself. Go right on ahead and right click on this, and then we're going to be clicking on message, and this will open up the Pika bot. Now in here we can go ahead and create some commands. So let's just go ahead and add something. So we'll do a /, and then we can go ahead and click animate right here. So just go ahead and add an image. So say for example, I'm going to be adding this image right here, and then add another set of instructions. So say for example, moving right here. So just go ahead and click enter, and what we're actually doing is we're sending a command to Pika where we're allowing our image to be an input, and then allowing Pika bot to go ahead and try to animate this. And once that it has animated, it will return us with a response like this, where we can go ahead and click on play and be able to see that this has now been animated. And there you go. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.